What's up, my sexy welding people from YouTube? How you guys doing? This is Captain Manny again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this is where I show you welding life. Captain Manny here. Show you my progress as a welder. That's right. Might give you some tips here and there that I pick up, but most likely it's just showing you guys what I'm doing welding wise. So if you're new, welcome, and if you are first time here, you know what I've been working on is my rig right here. It's a beautiful day again here in North Dakota. Still here. Another coffee, that's right. What we're gonna do today though is we're gonna be doing the oil change on the Classic 300. Alright guys, so this is a manual that came with the welder. Engine service. So it says right here, first service 20 to 50 hours. So like I said, mine has 32, 35, so it only says R means replace. So it only indicates engine oil and engine oil filter. What kind of oil? It says it comes with the 1030 oil, so that's what we're gonna use. So 1030 Rotella for diesel, and this is the Wix oil filter number 51348. It goes for the Perkins oil filter, but this is the equal. I went to O'Reilly's and that's what it. And I also Google it and that's what it equals. Perkins. It's only like the Perkins is like $8 and this one's like $9, so it should be the same. Should work. So we're gonna pour some oil, some brand new oil in it, and look on the bottom. If it comes out, you know, that should be a good sign that everything's poured out. So let's go. So what we're gonna do is just gonna warm them up a little bit, you know, let it run for 5-10 minutes so the oil gets warm up and it drains more easily, and most of it. 32.6 hours. Alright guys, so we opened the hood of the welder right now. We're gonna drain the oil and change the oil filter. That's what it calls. Just the oil and the oil filter. 20 to 50 hours. First oil change ever on this Classic 300 MP. So let's get to it. Gotta drill a hole so you can drain faster. Alright, so on this one guys, you have to lift it up and then twist. Probably take this thing off so you can drain a little better. Oh, yeah. Alright guys, so we're just gonna let it drain. Drain all the oil, put the new one in. Alright, so we're gonna put some more in there. Alright. There you go guys. This is the new oil that I just pour on top. Look at that come. That's how I like to do it, you know, put some new oil, let it, don't close that hose, let it drain. And then close it and then put the new oil. Alright guys, so now we're gonna take the filter out. Kind of tight. Alright. There you go. There is Perkins filter. Just wanna get some paper towels handy. It does get messy. And me, I like to use this disposable gloves. Always get messy, guys, when you're doing oil change. So let's put the oil filter now. Oil filter right here. We're gonna put some oil right here, and we're just gonna screw it back in there. I'm just gonna hand tight. You don't wanna use the pliers. That's it. And then we're just gonna add the oil right here. Close the valve right on the bottom right there. And call it good. Check the oil level. That should be good. I think the manual calls for 6.3 quarters, which is what we're gonna add. So one of these and one more quarter. Alright guys, so we checked the oil level. We're in the safe zone, so we're just gonna put the cap back in there and we should be good. Alright, right now we only did we closed that valve. Make sure you close the valve. Filter is tight. Check your level. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this video, how to change your oil in the Perkins, 20 to 30 hours when it's brand new like this one. That's what we did right now. We only changed the oil and the oil filter. So manual says 6.3 quarters oil and just the oil filter. Next one coming up probably be around 500 hours, it says. Probably do like a 300 hours, but we'll see. At that time we'll change all the filters. But for now guys, hope you guys having a good day and stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. All right, adios señores, bye. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You just hit the red icon under this video. Also, if you want to get notifications every time I upload a video, make sure you hit that bell icon so you don't miss out. If you like this video guys, make sure you hit like, and if you guys like to share this video, I will appreciate it. Alright, adios.